Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will share with you guys how I prepare this delicious instant noodles. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. I have sweet corn, fried chicken gizzard, frozen peas and carrots, chopped onion, chopped chili pepper, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. I have some oil and two noodles, and I have some spices as well. In a pan, I will add a little bit of oil, allow to heat up, add the onion and stir fry it for about 30 seconds. Once the onion releases the flavor into the oil, I'll go ahead and add the veggies one after the other. I stir fry all the veggies for about 2 minutes because I don't want it to overcook, and at this point I'll go ahead and season the veggies. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, little bit of white pepper and garlic powder, and I will add the seasoning from the noodles. I will stir everything together and I'll go ahead and set it aside. In a pot of boiling water, I'll go ahead and add the noodles and allow to boil. Just parboil your noodles according to your taste. At this point, the noodle is cooked. I will take it off the heat and drain the water, and I will transfer back into the pot and stir everything together. And I stir it together for about a minute, and that is it guys, it is done. Just go ahead and serve yourself and enjoy. It is super simple and super delicious. And if you find the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.